This is where I would normally say, and I'd like to welcome you to the Laramy-K Optician Works Training Center. But you may have noticed that things look a little bit different today. It is August of 2021, and after 5 years, yeah, I know, right? And over 100 videos, we have covered most of optical theory. And today, we are going to start covering optical dispensing. This is where we are going to spend the next year going step by step through the sales and dispensing process and talk a lot about what it takes to operate a successful optical shop. Now, the saying goes, you never get a second chance at a first impression. So for this first video in our new series, you have a little bit of homework to do. Wait, it should actually be fun. Now, this is the Laramy-K Optician Works Store Appearance Checklist. Need you to head over to the Optician Works website, find the free training and more button, scroll down, check out all the other great stuff that's there, find the checklist, print out a copy, grab a clipboard, maybe your camera and maybe a coworker, and get to work. Because here's the thing, you'll never get a chance to sell any glasses or dispense any glasses if you can't get people to walk through the door. Now, 3 things here that make this work. You have to be someone willing to take a critical look at things. If you're not a bit of a neat freak, then this really just isn't the job for you. Close is not good enough here. And I hope it goes without saying that, well, you don't only just check the box that there's something wrong, you also have to go back and fix the problem. Now, the thing about maintenance is that when things wear out over time, we tend not to notice. So this is an excellent chance for you to catch some things before they get any worse. And believe me, you are going to catch some things. Now, number 3 is the biggie. Fail to recognize these things. Letting these things go tells your customers, we don't care about our business anymore. And from the customer's point of view, that means they don't care about me anymore. So go ahead and get your store appearance checklist homework done. Start getting those things fixed. And I will be back here next week when I do an interview with a frame rep. And trust me, you do not want to miss it. It's a really, really great lesson. And please feel free to share any stories and any before and after pictures from the store appearance checklist on the Laramy-K Optician Works Facebook page. I will see you again next week.